Researchers at the University of Washington have created a new type of circuit board, which is called the Vitrimer Printed Circuit Board, or vPCB. Now this circuit board is really cool because it can be recycled many times. And when they get recycled, there's minimal loss of the material quality. These circuit boards use a sustainable polymer called Vitrimer, which can be broken down into a jelly-like state using solvent. This transformation makes it easy to extract solid materials such as glass fiber and metal, which are typically challenging to recover in the recycling process. Now the Vitrimer has some unique properties. Now unlike typical polymers, Vitrimers can be reshaped or healed due to their molecular structure. This feature doesn't just enable the recycling of this material, it actually allows circuit boards to be repaired if they're damaged. Now you're probably asking, how do these vPCBs stack up to regular PCBs? Well, the performances are comparable, and there are huge environmental benefits of using vPCBs, although there are some hurdles in getting widespread adoption of this technology. The key challenges are really systems to collect and process the vPCs when they need to be recycled. For things like this to be recycled correctly and be beneficial to us and the environment, we need to make some changes to the waste management practices. The study is accessible through academic platforms, so I'm going to link the DOI number below. For more on technology, electronics, and engineering, make sure you like and follow eDesignIt.